In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn a supplier no into a yes when running your Amazon wholesale business. What's up guys, my name is Mike Sieben. Today's video, we're gonna talk about how to change the mind of a supplier when trying to open up a wholesale account. I've been selling on the Amazon platform for the last 4 years, and I've done over 7 figures in revenue. And this one trick has gotten me hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales that I would have otherwise never had. So in this day and age of competition, where there are literally millions of other Amazon sellers on the platform, it is more important now than ever to be able to have conversations with people, to be able to turn the no's that you get from your suppliers into yeses, and to really understand how this business model works and how you get access to the golden products. For example, this product right here, we did over $25,000 in sales with this single product. We sold over 1,000 units and we made north of $5,000 in straight profit just from one single product. This was a result of being able to persuade a supplier to actually open up an account with us by showing them what we can provide as value over and above just any single Amazon seller. So I'm gonna give you 3 different tips and tricks that are gonna help you actually persuade your supplier into opening up that account. The first way that you can win over a supplier is to show that you've done your homework. I can't tell you how many times reps from different companies when opening up accounts are just really impressed with the fact that we spend time and effort actually digging into them, their company, and the different products that they sell. This works especially well when you're actually on the phone and you can just talk about the different products that are available and just show your interest in them. For example, if you call a toy supplier and you're looking to open up an account, you could start the conversation by saying, "Hi, my name is Mike Sieben. I am from XYZ retail company and I'm looking to open up a wholesale account with you guys. From doing some research, I saw that you guys sell Hasbro, Mattel, Crayola, and I'm very interested in these brands, but I'd love to also explore some other opportunities that you might have and some additional brands that I may not be aware of." They're going to be really impressed that you've spent the time and effort. It shows that you're interested in them and what they do, and it immediately puts positive imagery into their minds about how you guys can work together going forward. This also helps to bring down their guard, take away the uncertainty or the doubt of who you are and what your intentions are, and overall just sets you up in a really good position. The next thing that you're going to show is your competence or experience with the industry, right? Asking really good and important questions is absolutely key in this business. You want to ensure that people will ultimately trust that you are interested in moving forward and have the information and knowledge necessary to be successful in this business. For example, you could start talking about what their shipping terms are. Do they offer free shipping over a certain threshold? You could talk to them about the different promos, discounts, and deals that they have. And you could even start to talk about things like payment terms. Do they offer net terms? Do they allow you to pay via credit card? Or do you have to pay upfront and send a direct transfer? This shows them that you're serious about doing business. That shows them that you have the knowledge that is needed in order to get the job done and be a good customer. And again, helps to just further bring down the guard. So what happens if they just flat out say no, they're not accepting new sellers, they're not taking applications or anything in that nature? That brings me to number 3, and that's demonstrating why you are better than your competition. And now you can use something as simple as, now I know that some of the brands that you represent will have things like minimum advertising pricing policies, different places that they allow you to actually sell the products, and potentially some other policies in place. Now, I can assure you, unlike others in the market, that we take these policies very seriously. If there's minimum prices that we need to adhere to, we'd love for you to send those over so that we can have a look and ensure that those get put in place, as well as if there are any additional restrictions that you're working with, we would love to review them and implement them into our business. You could also let them know that you have different market knowledge and platform knowledge. For example, if you tell them that you're selling on Amazon, you can let them know that you have a really strong plan for logistics, how you can get the products to Amazon, how you serve Amazon's customers, and maybe show some additional experience points that you might actually have in and around the platform. This goes a long way when they're comparing you to just the average seller that's trying to open up an account with them. Will further help, again, to let their guard down and put them at ease, as well as it gives them confidence in knowing that you are a serious business, you're looking to do long-term business and ensure mutual success with every order that you make. If you guys are liking this content, please make sure to smash that like button. As well, make sure that you're subscribed and hitting that notification bell. We have tons of amazing content planned for you guys. Looking forward to sharing that with you, and I want to make sure that you guys can actually see all of that content and you're able to, again, find this channel. Much appreciated, completely free to do, and it goes further than you might think. And the last piece of advice that I want to share with you guys is the relationships that you're going to make with these suppliers once you're able to open up these accounts are worth their weight in gold. Pay attention to the little things, the small details that your suppliers give you, because those can go a long way. For example, every single Christmas, we take an inventory of all the suppliers that we have and we've done business with that year. We'll actually send them small or large gifts, just depending on our relationship, how much we know about them, and ultimately how much business we plan on doing with them in the future. We've done things like send sports jerseys, we've sent individualized gift, we send different holiday baskets, and so even just a small gesture like a small $25 Amazon gift card or something like that can go a long way with a supplier come holiday season or maybe their birthdays, or even just remembering small details about their business, the brands they represent, or their personal lives. Once you guys get that kind of relationship, really takes it a long way in this business. There's been multiple situations that we've been introduced to other suppliers, other brands, other products that people don't get access to, that the average seller or account would never have access to, just because we took the time, the energy, and the effort to care about the people we do business with. And we've seriously reaped long-term and very positive rewards as a result. So I cannot stress enough to you guys how important the relationships are with your suppliers in an Amazon wholesale FBA business. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for sticking all the way to the end, watching this entire video. I appreciate every single one of you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.